This adapter seamlessly integrates existing analog paging amplifiers into a modern VoIP network, utilizing both SIP and multicast protocols for maximum flexibility. It cleverly provides two SIP extensions, one for live voice paging and a second that can be dedicated to function as a loud night ringer for after-hours alerts. The device capably handles up to 10 prioritized multicast channels, allowing for efficient, simultaneous audio broadcasts to large groups of endpoints. Users can upload as many as 9 custom audio messages that are easily triggered via DTMF tones for routine announcements or emergency notifications. Integration with external systems is enhanced through a DTMF-controlled relay and a dedicated input for background music, offering a comprehensive audio solution. Configuration is straightforward thanks to a built-in web interface, and installation is simplified with support for Power over Ethernet, which eliminates the need for a local power adapter.